Are you struggling to save your first $100,000? Welcome to Wealth Beacon, where we guide you to financial success. It's a milestone that many of us aspire to, a symbol of financial stability and success. But for most, it seems like a distant, almost unattainable goal. It feels like a pipe dream, right? The kind of thing that only happens to people who have high-paying jobs or who somehow manage to win the lottery, like something only doctors or people who got lucky achieve. But what if I told you that you don't need to be a doctor or win the lottery to reach this milestone? Well, I'm here to tell you that it's absolutely possible, no matter what you make. Whether you're earning a modest salary or just starting out in your career, you can achieve this goal with the right strategies and mindset. In this video, I'm breaking down the exact strategies I used to hit that milestone, and how you can too. We'll cover everything from budgeting and saving to investing and mindset shifts. We're talking actionable steps, mindset shifts, and the tools you need to build real, lasting wealth. It's not just about cutting back on lattes or skipping vacations. It's about making smart financial decisions that will set you up for long-term success. Stick with me, and you'll be well on your way to hitting that first $100,000 and beyond. We'll explore the importance of setting clear financial goals, creating a realistic budget, and finding ways to increase your income. We'll also dive into the power of investing and how it can accelerate your journey to financial freedom. Whether you're new to investing or have some experience, I'll share tips and strategies that can help you grow your wealth. And it's not just about the numbers. Your mindset plays a crucial role in your financial success. We'll talk about how to develop a positive money mindset, overcome limiting beliefs, and stay motivated on your journey. So, if you're ready to take control of your finances and start building the life you've always dreamed of, you're in the right place. Let's get started on this journey together and make that first $100,000 a reality. Remember, it's not about how much you make, but how much you keep and grow. With the right strategies and mindset, you can achieve financial success and create a secure future for yourself and your loved ones. So let's dive in and start building your path to financial freedom. Together, we'll explore the steps you need to take to reach that first $100,000 and beyond. Are you ready? Let's go! Now, you might be wondering, why $100,000? Why is this specific amount often highlighted in financial discussions and advice? What's so special about that number? Why does it seem to hold such significance in the world of personal finance and wealth building? Well, first off, it's a huge psychological milestone. Reaching $100K in savings or investments is a momentous occasion for many. It represents a level of financial discipline and success that can be incredibly motivating. It's a tangible sign that you're on the right track, that you're building real wealth. This amount can serve as a powerful indicator that your financial habits and strategies are effective. But more importantly, $100,000 is a launchpad. It's not just a number. It's a foundation upon which you can build even greater financial success. It's enough to start seriously investing, to make your money work for you. With $100K, you have the capital to explore various investment opportunities, from stocks and bonds to real estate and beyond. And that's when things get really exciting. With the right investments, your $100K can grow exponentially, opening doors to financial freedom and security. Imagine the possibilities. With a solid investment strategy, that initial $100K can turn into a substantial nest egg over time. It's about making informed decisions and being patient. Setting clear financial goals is crucial. Whether it's saving for retirement, buying a home, or starting a business, having $100K gives you a significant head start. It's also about diversification. With $100K, you can spread your investments across different asset classes, reducing risk and increasing potential returns. The journey to $100K is just the beginning. It's a milestone that signifies not just financial success, but also the potential for even greater achievements. So embrace the power of $100K and let it propel you towards your financial dreams. The first step is to get clear on your goals. Don't just say, I want to save more. Set a specific target, $100,000. Then, break it down. How much can you realistically save each month? $500? $1,000? Use a budgeting app, a spreadsheet, whatever works for you. The key is to track your progress and stay motivated. Next, it's time to trim the unnecessary expenses. Those daily coffees, the subscription boxes you barely use, eating out all the time, they add up. I'm not saying you have to live like a monk, but be mindful. Ask yourself, do I need this, or do I just want it? You'll be surprised how much you can save. Chapter 4. Supercharge your income. Saving is crucial, but let's not forget about earning more. Could you pick up a side hustle, negotiate a raise, maybe even switch to a higher-paying job? Remember, the more you earn, the faster you can reach your goal. Don't be afraid to explore your options. Chapter 5. Automate like a boss. Here's a game changer. Automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking to your savings account every month. Out of sight, out of mind. You won't even miss the money, and it'll add up faster than you think. Chapter 6. Slay the debt dragon. High-interest debt is a wealth killer. Credit cards, personal loans, pay those off as quickly as possible. There are different strategies like the snowball method or the avalanche method. Find what works for you, but get that debt under control. It'll free up so much more money to save and invest. Chapter 7. Invest early and often. Saving is great, but investing is where the magic happens. Even small amounts invested consistently can grow exponentially over time thanks to compound interest. Start with index funds, ETFs, or a Roth IRA. The key is to get started and let time work its magic. Chapter 8. Live below your means. This one's crucial. Live below your means. Don't fall into the trap of lifestyle inflation. Just because you get a raise doesn't mean you need a fancy new car or a bigger apartment. Delay gratification, stay disciplined, and you'll be amazed at how much faster you reach your goals. Chapter 9. Emergency fund and budgeting. Before you go all in on saving and investing, make sure you have a solid emergency fund. 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses is a good rule of thumb, and of course, create a budget and stick to it. Allocate money for essentials, savings, investments, and even some fun money. Balance is key. Chapter 10. Stay the course. Saving $100,000 takes time and consistency. There will be setbacks, temptations, and moments of doubt, but stay focused on your goal. Celebrate the small wins along the way. Remember why you started this journey in the first place, and trust me, the feeling of hitting that $100,000 milestone will be worth every sacrifice. Outro. Start building your $100,000 today. It might seem like a daunting task, but with the right mindset and strategies, you can achieve this milestone. Remember, every great journey begins with a single step. So take that first step today and commit to your financial goals. So there you have it. A clear roadmap to saving your first $100,000. It all starts with understanding your current financial situation. Take a close look at your income, expenses, and spending habits. Create a budget that aligns with your goals and stick to it. Consistency is key. Remember, it's not about luck, it's about making smart choices consistently. Track your expenses diligently and look for areas where you can cut back. Small changes can add up to significant savings over time. For example, consider brewing your coffee at home instead of buying it daily. These little adjustments can make a big difference. Start small, stay disciplined, and watch your wealth grow. Set achievable milestones and celebrate your progress along the way. Saving money is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay patient and keep your eyes on the prize. Over time, you'll see your efforts pay off as your savings grow. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button and share it with a friend who's also on their financial journey. Sharing knowledge and resources can help others achieve their goals too. Together, we can build a community of financially savvy individuals who support and motivate each other. And for more tips on building wealth and achieving financial freedom, check out the links in the description below. We've curated a list of valuable resources including articles, books, and other videos that can provide you with additional insights and strategies. Knowledge is power, and the more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make informed financial decisions. Now go out there and start building your future. The journey to financial independence is a rewarding one, filled with opportunities for growth and self-discovery. Embrace the challenges and stay committed to your goals. With determination and perseverance, you can achieve financial success and create the life you've always dreamed of. Good luck, and remember, the best time to start is now.